Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the call history backup lives, because deleting the wrong backup can remove other data. Sign in to the account that stores the backup and complete any two-step verification prompts. Once signed in, navigate straight to the app or system backup settings. Look for a section labeled Backups, Devices, or Manage Backups. Do this first so you are positioned to find the specific backup file that contains call history without wasting time checking unrelated folders. Now locate the exact backup entry tied to the device and date that holds call logs. Tap or click the backup to view details, then choose Delete, Remove Backup, or a similar option. Platforms show a confirmation dialog. Read it carefully, because some deletions remove messages or app data too. If given granular options, uncheck everything except call history before deleting. Once you confirm, the service will remove that backup file from cloud storage. Make note of any warning about irreversibility. After deletion, refresh the backup list and double-check that the entry is gone. This verifies the cloud copy was removed. Next, clear any trash or recycle area within the backup service, and clear local cache on your device so stale data does not reappear. If call history still shows up on devices, make sure sync is off and wait 10 to 30 minutes for servers to reconcile, then sign out and back in. If issues persist, contact support and provide the backup name and timestamp for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.